Hey, welcome to another edition of Faulkner Fixes All. Now, when you're working on bikes and moving very quickly, sometimes you make mistakes. And I was actually testing you guys to see if you saw the mistake on the last video. So, almost 20 views, and nobody out of those viewers, nobody caught the mistake. So, today we're going to fix our mistake and just explain how it can happen. It's a very easy fix, and I've bought many bikes when there was this problem, and I've helped people on the side of the road because they had this problem. Like, hey, you just need to switch it out the right way. And it's kind of a dangerous thing if you don't switch it back. So let's explain what happened. Obviously, this is a pair of forks, and sometimes when you're going fast, like I was the other day, you put them in the wrong way. You'd put them in this way, and that way when you're pedaling the bike, your toe is going to hit the front wheel because the forks are in backwards. But it's a very easy fix, and we're going to switch it around the right way. So remember, don't do things quickly. And nobody caught this. So, you guys got to be more aware. Okay. The splay of the fork always goes towards the front. It helps with handling, and it also helps so you don't hit your toe on the front of the wheel because it's out more. Okay, so let's switch it around. It's a very easy fix. I would have caught it anyway when I test the bike. The first time I would test the bike, I would definitely catch it. So it's pretty easy on threadless forks to switch back. We might have to change the cable for the front brake. We might have to switch this around. We'll see. Maybe we'll get lucky. Okay, so on threadless bikes, let's see here. On threadless bikes, there's just two clamps here. You hold the fork, spin it around the right way, and leave all the cables and stem in place. But on a threaded fork, like this one, that has threads, you'd have to undo the stem bolt and switch everything around. But it's basically the same principle, but on threadless bikes, it's just a little easier because you don't have to take anything out. You just loosen a few things, and away we go. Yeah, I'm not perfect. I've been working on bikes since I was 12, and I guess I could say that this is a new technology, with the threadless forks, but I messed up. That's all there is to it. I was going too fast. Okay, so we spun it around the right way, and this cable is probably going to be okay. Look at that. Okay, let's just back up how it goes. Now notice I undid this top bolt too, just because I didn't want this to be tight, messing with the spin when I was spinning it. Okay, we'll get the final tighten on that in a second. Let's just make sure the front brake cable is okay. Yeah, we might have to undo this cable so it kind of spins around where it wants to go. Doesn't look too bad. Maybe I'll just leave it alone. And maybe I'll just use one of those little double clamps and clamp it there or something. But anyway, that's the skinny. See, now you're not going to hit your toe there when you're turning, unless you got some really gigantic feet, and I can't help you on that. Okay, so yeah, the splay goes out, and this is correct now. There's also a little bit of offset here that helps it splay out a little bit. Okay, so that's a common mistake. It's easily fixed. And you may also have noticed that this front wheel has a Prestatube I had to reuse the one they had, and there's a little cap on here that I don't have. I'll have to find one for them. But there's also a little adapter you put on there when you pump it up. But if you have a good pump, like this one, it has Schrader and Presta built in. But I'll find the little adapter and throw it in so they can pump that up when they need to. I had to true this wheel too. It was pretty bad. Not too bad now. I might reroute this cable. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll just twist it and pop it in there or something. I think there's a little plastic clamp that goes there, something like that. Okay, so fine tuning, and we're gonna test it. Next video, I'll take it for a ride. It's pretty good. Oops, wrong one. Yeah, I'd go for that. Yeah, maybe reseat that back tire a little bit. Yeah, some fine tuning, and I might put these other pedals on. Not quite sure. These are some real shin scrapers. The bearings are better in these, and these have been sitting out in the rain for a while, and they're a little loud. So that's it for now, and you guys make sure you catch this video and make sure I'm not doing it wrong next time and tell me, okay? Because, you know, that's embarrassing. Okay, have a good one.